Here the next question, observe here students, the alkane from below having two secondary hydrogens. What is secondary hydrogen students actually? For example, structure is present like this. Here the carbon is connected with directly how many carbons? Directly this carbon, one carbon. This is primary carbon. Next this carbon connected with how many carbons directly? Two carbons. This is secondary carbon. Or suppose this carbon directly connected with how many carbons? Three carbons. So this is tertiary carbon. Hydrogen is connected with primary carbon, that is primary hydrogen. Hydrogen connected with secondary carbon, that is secondary hydrogen. Hydrogen connected with the tertiary carbon, that is tertiary hydrogen. That is the meaning of the primary hydrogen, secondary hydrogen, tertiary hydrogen. The alkane from below having two secondary hydrogens is which molecule? Now here I am writing all the structures. Observed here 4-ethyl 3,4 dimethyl octane. Octane means 8 carbon atoms. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 carbons. At a fourth carbon what is present? Ethyl is present. CH2 CH3. At third carbon what is present? Methyl is present. CH3. Fourth carbon also methyl is present. So here 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We are giving the numbering from the right side. Reason, substitute sum of the values how much? 4 plus 5 plus 5. If you are counting from here, sum of the value of the substituent coming the larger number. That's why we are giving the numbering from the right side. Next, what is the next molecule? Hexane. Hexane having 6 carbon atoms. 6 carbons. At second carbon methyl is present. Here also methyl is present. At fourth carbon methyl is present. Here also methyl is present. So CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3. That is second molecule. Third molecule pentane. Pentane having 5 carbons. Pentane at second carbon methyl. The methyl. Third carbon methyl. Here the methyl. So CH3 CH3, here the CH2. This is the fourth molecule. Next molecule heptane. 7 carbons. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 carbons. At second carbon methyls are present. At fourth carbon methyl is present. At fifth carbon methyl is present. CH3 CH2 CH CH CH2 CH3. The question is what? Having two secondary hydrogens. Here this molecule, first molecule CH2 CH2 CH CH2 CH2 CH3. So this molecule having how many hydrogens? This is secondary carbon. This is also secondary carbon. This is secondary carbon. This is also secondary carbon. So how many hydrogens? 8 hydrogens are present. Secondary hydrogens 8 are present in this molecule. So here also is there. Overall 10 are present. 8 plus 2 10. Next in this molecule how many secondary hydrogens? Here 2, here 2. 4 are present. In this molecule how many secondary hydrogens? Here 2 secondary hydrogens are present. In this molecule secondary hydrogens 4 are present. So option is this one. Question. Okay, now students, next compound observe here students. This is the next compound, question number 7. Here I am writing that numbering from the carboxylic acid carbon, because of carboxylic acid is the main functional group, moving from here to like this. This is ester. Ester give the priority in the numbering compared to methyl. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So at second carbon and fifth carbon what is present? Methyls are present. Second carbon and fifth carbon methyls are present. At sixth carbon ester functional group is present, that is methoxycarbonyl. So 6 methoxycarbonyl. 2,5 dimethyl. 2,5 dimethyl hexanoic acid. hexanoic acid, IUPAC name. So you should numbering given from this end to this end because of ester is included in the parent chain, not methyl, students, remember. Next, observe here students, question number 8. In the question number 8, statement 1, one question is given. In the statement 2, another question, that means another structure is given. Correct IUPAC names they're asking. Correct or not? Once check. So what is the structure here? The benzene connected with chlorine, NO2. Here the NO2. You know that already functional group priority order, NO2 and chlorine, halogen, which is first comes, halogen is first comes. So numbering you should given from the chlorine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the IUPAC name of this molecule? 1 chloro, 2 comma 4 nitrobenzene. 1 chloro, 2 comma 4 dinitro benzene. This is the name, correct name. But what is given here? 4 chloro, 1 comma 3 dinitrobenzene. This is not correct name. Positions are not correct. This is the correct way of numbering because of chlorine is first comes in the priority order. Next, observe here. On the benzene ring, NH2 is present. What is the name of the structure? Aniline. So this is the aniline molecule. To the aniline, here CH3 is connected, here C2H5 is connected. The first carbon is the aniline carbon, connected carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here at fourth carbon what is present? Ethyl is present. E, first letter is E. At second carbon what is present? Methyl is present. First letter is M. In the alphabetical series, first letter E is first comes compared to M. So what is the name? 4-ethyl, 2-methyl aniline. This is the correct naming. 4-ethyl, 2-methyl aniline. So here statement 2 is correct, statement 1 is incorrect, students. Next, question number 9, observe here students. What is the question is given? Correct IUPAC name of the structure. CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH3. Observe the numbering from the right side as well as from the left side also. Position of the substituents observe. From the right side I am counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What are the positions of the substituents? 3 plus 4 plus 7. How much? 14. If you are counting from the left side, what is the positions of the substituents? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So substituent position 2 plus 5 plus 6. That is 13. So what is the IUPAC rule? As per the IUPAC rule, sum of the positions, sum of the value of the substituents which is comes from the least number, that is the correct way of numbering. So left side is the correct numbering, not from the right side. So what is the substituent position? 2, 5, 6 trimethyl octane. So 2, 5, 6 trimethyl octane is the correct name. Next, observe that functional group present in sulfonic acid is functional group present in sulfonic acid SO3H. Sulfonic acid functional group is SO3H. Next, the correct nomenclature for the following molecule is given. To this molecule, what is the correct IUPAC name? So observe the IUPAC, correct IUPAC name of this structure. Numbering given from what are the functional groups are present first of all in this molecule? It is a polyfunctional group. Polyfunctional group is present. You should follow this way of naming. Identify prefix, then root word, then suffix. Compulsory you should follow this way of naming. So acid is present, aldehyde is present, alcohol is present, then alkene is present. Numbering, if acid functional group is present, numbering always you should give in from the carboxylic acid carbon. Carboxylic acid carbon. That is the higher priority in the priority order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the longest chain. At second carbon, what is present? Aldehyde is present. At fourth carbon, what is present? OH is present. So as a prefix, aldehyde pronunciation is formyl. You know that already. As a prefix, OH pronunciation is hydroxy. Hydroxy. So what is the name? In the formyl, first letter is F. In the hydroxy, first letter is H. So which one is the first comes in the alphabetical order of F na? So 2-formyl, 4-hydroxy. What is the word root here? Hept. Hept, double bond position 6. Hept 6 in oic acid. Oic acid. This is the correct IUPAC name. Suffix always last. This is the root word. Root word immediately either double bond or triple bond is existing. Prefix always comes from the front to the root word. Remember this way of naming.